Oh, let me zoom you out a little bit. Oh, that's in. Don't want to zoom you in. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Romney. If you're new here, hello. My hair's crazy today. Look at it. Jeez. Anyone wants any volume, come see me. Today we're going to do another Beauty Bay purchases. So I ordered a few bits from Beauty Bay. So I ordered a few purchases from Beauty Bay and I thought I'd come quickly share what I've got before my other half gets home and sees them. So they'll come in little bubble wrap packaging, little bubble wrap pockets. So that's like quite cute. Okay, so I brought 4 more items from The Ordinary. What did I get? I got the AHA 30% plus BHA 2% peeling solution. So this is an exfoliating peel. Let me just read what it says. An exfoliating peel treating the top layer of skin. Peeling solution exfoliates for a brighter, clearer complexion, fighting visible blemishes. Continued weekly use reduces pore congestion and fine lines for a bright and youthful complexion. So you're meant to use this a couple of times a week, I think, no more than about twice a week. Let's have a look, see what it looks like. I've got so much of The Ordinary stuff. Ooh. Looks like blood in a bottle. Look. Ooh. Giving that one a go. I'm all for a more youthful complexion. I do apologise, I don't have any makeup on now. I do like this window. I've got a window here. I hope this is not too distracting. I've got a window here and it just... beautiful. I've opened that without saying what it is. Okay, so this is the... I'm so bad at this. This is the 100% organic cold pressed rosehip seed oil. So this is a pure blend of cold pressed and organic rosehip oil which hydrates and supports healthy skin. Rich in vitamins, antioxidants and essential fatty acid. I'm trying to say fatty and acid in the same bit, obviously comes out with facid. Rosehip oil is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and regenerative properties. This silky oil helps to calm redness, hydrate dry skin, treat scars and burns, brighten skin and regenerates damaged tissue. Rosehip is a natural source of hydrating oil rich in vitamin E and C. Apply once a day to the face, ideally at bedtime. So that will be part of my bedtime routine. I do like an oil. I have been using the Body Shop vitamin E oil. And that just looks like that. Just normal oil. It smells like an oil. Not that I go around sniffing oils all the time. So there'd be worse things I could go around sniffing. Okay, I got the Argiline solution, 10%. I have no idea if I said that right. There you go, you can read it yourself. So all of these are really affordable as well. They're like 5 to about 8 quid I think I paid. Oh, hold on for a sip of tea. Ah, beautiful. Okay. Why does it say limited to 2 per customer? It's a bit weird, isn't it? Okay, so this is a water-based serum to prevent the the muscle movement that leads to wrinkle formation. Argiline, I think that's how you say it. Solution, 10%, reduces the appearance of wrinkles by preventing skin from folding. Particularly powerful under the eyes and forehead. Used twice daily under moisturiser as a lightweight means to achieve smoother looking skin. It just says apply a few drops twice a day to the forehead and eyes. So I got this for, you've guessed it, my wrinkly forehead, and I have, like, obviously everyone's got that there. So I have got slight crow's feet. What a beautiful, beautiful word. It says targets the appearance of dynamic facial lines. So it's just a clear liquid. Doesn't smell of anything. Nothing from The Ordinary smells of anything really. Okay, and then, so that was only £5.50. Peel was £6.25. Oh, the most expensive thing I think was the rosehip oil, which was £9. Okay, and this is a really tiny little bottle, and this was £8.50. I don't know how to say that word. Just there. Cyanogenol, 5%, whatever. I don't know how to say that. Right, let's have a look and see what this is. Most of the stuff I've got is for like hydration and for my hideously wrinkly face that's appearing. Right, a powerful and oxidant-rich serum designed for dull, lackluster skin, developed to enhance the skin's hydration and elasticity, whatever it's called, is ideal for promoting a smooth, regenerated complexion. This powerful formula uses cyanogenol, a plant-derived antioxidant, to nourish the skin from the inside out, targeting free radicals before they cause damage and restoring vitamin C activity. Apply alone or mix with other treatments for visible, radiant results. It's derived from the bark of a French pine tree. This potent extract binds to collagen and elastin to revitalise the skin. It's also vegan, cruelty-free and oil-free. So apply alone or after water-based serums. Wash hands after application and avoid product contact with fabric. Doesn't say how many times. It doesn't say how many times to use it, and this is a lot smaller bottle, so this is just 15 mils, so this is half the size of the other bottles. Just a little dropper. That's got a slight that's got a slight smell. That smells like, what does that smell like? That smells like a cough syrup. That literally smells like a cough syrup. A nice cough syrup, but even so, it smells like a cough syrup. Okay, right, what else did I get? Okay, so that was some more bits and pieces to go towards my little collection of The Ordinary. I like to apply just one new item to my skin at a time, just so I can get an idea of what it's doing and hopefully make sure it's not going to react with any of the other products. Right. I also purchased the Cover FX setting powder. This is just a little sample size, like travel size even, and this is in translucent light. So I wanted a new powder. Comes in like that. I like these little travel sizes because obviously they're cheaper, and a lot of the time you don't go through all of your product. You know, it takes ages. I've got one of the Laura Mercier translucent powders. I'm never going to get through all that, I don't think. I find it too dry as well under my eyes. So I also got a whole load. Take them out first. I also got a whole load of eyeliners. So I thought I'd give the Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner a go. Get out of the packet. I wanted a nice liquid eyeliner that wasn't in like a pen form. I bet this is going to be like a pen form. I like the brushes. Okay, so this is slightly nice because I have slightly wrinklier fine lines on my eyelids. I find that obviously the liquid eyeliner glides over that a little bit better. The pen ones seem to skip sometimes over, so that's quite a nice black. It doesn't look like it's bleeding into any of my lines on my hand. We'll see if that dries down matte. I also got a Wet n Wild Skinny Mascara. Let's have a look. Got this mainly for my bottom lashes because I find like most of my mascaras are quite chunky. Oh wow, that is really skinny. It's not like horrifically skinny. I was expecting really, 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 really thin, but that is let's have a look. I've got another mascara that grabs the lashes. That doesn't seem to grab hold of the lashes. Hasn't really done much, but we'll give that a go. Again, that eyeliner looks like it's dried down matte. It's not shiny. I brought 4 of the LA Girl Shockwave Neon eyeliners. They didn't have the yellow one, which was very distressing because it was the yellow one that I wanted. But I got another yellow one. Right, let me swatch some of these for you. I think these were £5 each. Okay, it doesn't want to load up. Arsehole just drove past like a friggin' dickhead. No, it doesn't want to load up. Oh well. So I got all the colours bar the yellow. So there's a yellow and there's a black. So this one is neon. This one is a neon eyeliner in green called Gotcha. Let me swatch these. Okay, so I just did a little swatch. Green one is Gotcha, purple one is Vivid, blue one is Electric, and the lighter blue one is called Fresh. They look pretty nice, so I didn't want one that was metallic or anything like that. So the green one, I feel a little bit dry, but they're to go in my waterline. Got a few looks I wanted to do, so hopefully they'll be alright. They're not smudged anywhere, so I can rub them. They're not gone anywhere, so we will see. Oh my god, I need to show you this as well. I'm scrubbing. And the one I put on first, the green one, because that's been on there for quite a while, it doesn't want to go anywhere. So that's promising. Hopefully they will stay put. Okay, so because I wanted the yellow one, I got these. They're in different packaging. Okay, so these are the Linda Holberg Mood Crayon. So, but this one is as well. They're just in different packaging. I'm really annoyed because I didn't realise when I ordered these that you can buy them in the set. But never mind. So look, there's nothing about them that's the same. So this is Anger. And this is a red one. I could send them back and get the whole set, but do you know what? Oh, this wasn't on very well. So this is a red. Oh my god, let's have a look. Oh yeah. It's very smooth. So that one is called Anger. And this one is called Happy. In a nice soft touch matte black box. Happy is a yellow. It was yellow. It was yellow that I wanted originally. So I brought all of these because I needed a yellow. And that is the yellow. So Anger. Is it Anger or Angry? Yeah, Anger and Happy. So these are the Linda Holberg Mood Crayons. And lastly, I purchased the BH Cosmetics Shade and Define 10 Colour Contour Palette. I got these mainly because I wanted them as a bronzer. I needed a blush then. And that's what they look like. I also bought them because I am very easily influenced by people, which I am going to be doing a video on that. Influencers YouTube made me buy. Oh, why have I put them in the wrong place? That's just a few of those swatched. They are nice. So looking forward to giving those a bit of a go. Looking forward to giving those a go. Okay, so that's all I purchased from Beauty Bay in this little sitting. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you have purchased any of these items and what you think about them. I'm really looking forward to using those coloured eyeliners and the Ordinary products. I might do a video on all of the products that I have and let you know what I think of them all. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I will see you all later. Bye!